so now we have these connectors down here we need to connect. Now we got the valve covers on, so this one here, this one goes right here. I'm gonna use my hand. Okay, there it is. Click, and then see that little red thing?
Yeah.
Push it in to lock it in.
Okay, let me get the camera in there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Then the next one, there's one way down here. There's one way down here. That one I'm gonna try to slide it over. Kind of hard to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna pull it. Okay, there it is. That's on. And then there's these guys. There's this wire here, and this goes to the wheel. I don't know if it's the anti-lock brake or it's the one that goes on the wheel, on the axle, right here on the passenger. I connect that there, and then there's these two here. This is a 2-wire prong one, and this is a 3-wire prong. The 2-wire goes to the variable solenoid, the long ones. So that one is going to go right, I believe, right here. Yeah, right there. Okay, that clicks in, and this one will go right here on the cam sensor. Okay, so we have shaft 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, we're good there. Okay, that one there, that one there, that one, and that one there, and there's one way down there, yonder, right down there. Let's see if I can, right there. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I think you can see it. Okay. Okay, so that's how you put the connectors back on. So you want to do that after you get the valve covers. Don't want to connect them before, because then when you need to start pulling harnesses around, you won't gonna have the room for it. So anyway, we're gonna work on the front one now. Okay, so this one we're gonna put it right here. Right there. This guy, it's kind of hard to see, but there
It is hard to see, yeah.
Okay, that one there, we're gonna push it on right there. You gotta lock it in by pushing that red tab there. Keeps it locked in. And then we're gonna put the other one up here. Okay, put that on to lock it, and then here's the other sensor thing, connector. Push it on there, and there. We have them all connected now.
Blue light right there. Okay, so there's one right there. Darn butt camera. Right there. There's one down here. And then there's one right there. And then those are, okay, so there's 3 up here. 1, 2, 3, and then one in the bottom right there.
4 down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're ready to install our spark plug coils. And if you remember, when we disassembled it, we labeled all of them. Front 1, 2, and 3, and then rear 1, rear 2, rear 3. I really don't think it matters if you put them in any other order, because they're all the same. But we're just going to keep them in the same hole just to follow some kind of order. This is dielectric grease, and I'm going to put just a little bit here. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and install them. We'll start off with the front. little debris in there. Okay. These are OEM Denso. So we're gonna put them on. We're gonna put this on. Okay. Number one, we're gonna put it right there. Then we're gonna tighten this down. Number 10th bolt. Good. Grab our second one. Put it in the second hole here. Yeah, good. Grab our third one. Okay, then we're going to come over here and reach and plug in the spark plug. Okay, go to the next one, plug that one in, go to the next one, plug that one in. And then we're going to start on the on the back ones. Okay. Cleaning my spark plug coils. These are Denso, so they're good quality.
Are these the originals?
They probably are the originals. If not, then they're probably replaced them with OEM original, which is Denso. Denso makes a lot of OEM coils and things like that. Can't really get better than OEM. Get that one in there. It's a little tighter since it's back here on the back of the engine. Gotta use our little ratchet with the 3/8 to 1/4 inch bit and a 10mm socket for that, same as the ones we did before. Perfect. We'll work on this one here, number 2 in the back and number 3 up here. The second rear. Gonna wipe off any dust. Okay, we'll be ready to install it. I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna put it in the hole and firmly push it all the way in. Wiggle it kind of back and forth to make sure it's seated, and then I'm gonna turn the screw with my fingers until I run it and know it's threading. Okay, now that I know it's in, it's ready, I'm gonna turn on. There, and we'll do the last one. Number 3 rear. The rag. Okay. Install this. And here. Spread it by hand. Okay, good. Now they're tight. And then the next thing we're going to do is going to grab these connectors for the spark plug coils and connect them one at a time. Okay, that one's good. Next one. Okay, that's good. And the last one here. Okay. Alright. And that's how you do the coils on.